Hey everyone, welcome to Hankster's Hot Rods and Muscle Cars in Homer City, PA. My name's Billy. I want to show you something a little bit different today. If you're looking for a muscle car but you want some of the modern amenities, this might be one worth looking into. It's a 2004 Pontiac GTO. As you can see, it's finished in a bright yellow paint. This car is in very good condition. Has very low mileage. There's only 3,821 miles on this car. So you can expect the paint to be very nice. There's not really any chips or marks to speak about. The car has its original factory alloy wheels. These are 17x8 all the way around, equipped with BFGoodrich tires. The size on those, 245, 45, 17. And like I said, they're consistent all the way around. If you look at this car, you can see that really everything is in near showroom condition. All the seals around the windows are very, very nice. We can see we have painted side view mirrors on this car, painted styling on the bottom, kind of a ground effects package kit on this GTO. These were produced from 2004 to 2006. This is the first year. It comes with a 5.7 liter LS based V8 engine. Let's take a look inside. We can see that it's equipped with black leather upholstery, high bolsters on these sport seats with embroidered GTO logos. You can kind of see some of the yellow accents in here to match the exterior. We have yellow faced gauges behind the steering wheel. We have yellow stitching on the steering wheel and the shift boot and knob. This car is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. Everything in here is just like it left the factory, in very, very nice shape. You can see we have aluminum on our pedals, gives it a sporty look. Our door panels, of course, are in really nice shape. The car comes with power windows, power door locks, power remote mirrors. It comes with modern safety features like anti-lock brakes and traction control. Our seats are adjustable lumbar support. It's a power seat, front to back, and height adjustable as well. Very clean. Door closes without any effort at all, really. Very, very nice. All the panels line up. Very flat, very consistent. Same goes for our rubber around our back window and our driver's side window. It's very, very nice. Looks like it just came out of the showroom. Our matching tires on the back, 245, 45, 17s all the way around. Our rear window equipped with a defroster, of course. We have our third brake light in there, rear speakers. You can see our rear mounted spoiler here on the trunk lid. Here's our exhaust on the car. Get a nice rumble from that V8 engine. Our GTO badging here. Pontiac badge is kind of the last effort for Pontiac to produce a muscle car. Denotes that we have the 5.7 liter V8 here. I'll go ahead and pop the trunk with the remote release. Highly original here. We have our carpeting underneath, carpeted padding. We have all of the factory carpets here. Spare wheel. It's in very nice condition. As we come down the passenger side, we see our fuel filler here, remote release inside for that. We just want to look down the side of the car. It's laser straight, very nice. Story's the same on this side. All of our trim around our windows is in superb condition. Can take another look at our interior, you can see some badging on the dashboard. Dashboard's in very nice condition. The carpeting is nice, no stains, no damage at all. Kind of catch the Pontiac on our sill plate down there. Tribute to the old style GTO badging there, just kind of a modern take on the original badging. If we take a look at our wiper arms, are very nice, our blades are good, those are all checked. Our windshield squirters here mounted in the hood. You can see the nice finish on paint finish on our hood. It's nice and smooth. Kind of get to the front of the car and take a look at some of the lighting and the grille. Crystal clear on the headlights. So you know this car was barely used. They look almost new. Fog lights down here. Lower grille, also in nice shape. No damage. Bottom of the car, also really nice. Let's pop the hood and take a look. As you can see, the hood release works like it should. Here's that 5.7 liter V8 engine we spoke about. You can see it's dressed up with some covers here to cover our cylinder heads. Highly original. You can see our ABS system here. All original intake here, our throttle body and our original style air cleaner right there. You can see it's very clean, obviously not used very much. Information tag here tells you a little bit about the car, kind of an homage to the old style ones on the muscle cars. Very tidy, all of the hoses, all the wiring, factory clips and connectors everywhere, just like it left on day one. All right, thanks for watching. This was an exterior view of our 2004 GTO. Any car on our website, including this one, comes with free shipping, enclosed shipping to the lower 48 states. Also comes with a money-back guarantee and a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. Welcome back. We're underneath our 2004 Pontiac GTO. This car is super low mileage. It only has 3,800 miles. So what we're looking at under here is going to be very clean and very original. Just some normal kind of road debris from seldom use under here. We can take a look. We have our factory skid plate here. It's going to keep our oil pans safe from any road debris. That's in good shape. No marks on it. It's never been hit. Factory radiator support looks good. It's straight. It's nice. We can kind of see we have a front sway bar here. That looks to be in good shape. There's no damage, inch diameter. Factory suspension, of course. Front disc brakes. Has rear discs as well. You can see our steering rack here. You know, we want to check our rubber boots for any kind of damage or tears. We don't have any on either side here. Our tie rods and tie rod ends looking very good. No age damage. All the rubber is nice and pliable on the front end of this GTO. Factory dampers here. Can check our sway bar links. Nice and tight as well. Car is factory exhaust, so you can kind of see your emission system here, catalytic converters, both sides. Coming back, dual exhaust, exiting the back of the vehicle on one side, so kind of a different look. No tailpipes on each side, they both exit on the same. Oxygen sensor, all the emissions equipment is present. 6-speed manual transmission here. It's dry all the way around. Factory heat shielding all in place on the car, just kind of keeps the exhaust off your floorboards. That looks good. Transmission mount, An aluminum mount here, it's in nice shape, no corrosion. The rubber mount is good. You can see that our unibody all in good shape on the GTO. Our rocker panels painted in that gloss yellow, just like the exterior. No damage for improper jacking on this GTO. Just a light coating on our floor pans here. You can see a little bit of yellow factory overspray. It all looks very nice and original under here. You can see the rear. The passenger compartment floor pans here are in good shape. Just a light undercoating on those. So to continue on the rear side of our GTO, we continue with the very original and factory components under here. Our rear control arms, bushings, all good, all checked. We can see our drive shaft here connecting to our rear end. GTO ID tag here. These cars are equipped with a limited slip rear differential, 346 gear ratio here. We can see our drive axles, the boots, once again, soft and pliable. There are no tears. Everything in very nice shape, very tidy underneath the GTO. We can see that dual exhaust coming together here and exiting out the driver's side of the vehicle. Factory rear shock absorbers here. See that we also have disc brakes on the rear of the car with the emergency brakes hooked up. Plastic shielding here underneath our fuel tank. This just kind of keeps it safe from any road debris and keeps everything clean. And as we exit the rear, we can see that we have, the bottom of our rear bumper painted in the factory yellow. It's in good condition. Really no damage. It's really what you would expect from such a low mile original car. I'm going to go ahead and put the car down. We'll fire up that engine and let you listen to it.